This is what might happen. Mr. Arman, can you see?
Yes, sir.
तो आपने उसको जगह ही नहीं दी है. You haven't given it much of a space. So these are the kind of consequences which can be there. ये देखिए. Are you able to see?
So then, do they become normal in the winters?
उसका मुझे पता नहीं कि do they become normal or not. और see, anyways, अगर वो normal भी होगा तो वो exact उसी जगह पे तो वापस नहीं आने वाला. Mr. Arman, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
वो अपनी जो उसकी ओरिजिनल शेप थी उसको तो रिटेन नहीं करने वाला. नाउ दिस सीम्स टू बी अ प्रीटी एक्सट्रीम केस. अब मुझे पता नहीं है कितना सच है और कितना वो है. कैन यू सी दिस?
Yes, sir.
So this seems to be an extreme case, but that is why you need to provide some space. Mr. Arman, any doubts, sir?
No doubt.
So आप जब भी whenever you make such whenever you are dealing with another example that you can see is if you look for concrete expansion joint. Now in Bombay we have these concrete roads. Can you see this, Mr. Arman?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
So today when you go to down to play, just look at the pavement. So the pavement is built like this. Can you see this, Mr. Arman?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this? So the space is provided for expansion and for contraction. Mr. Arman, any doubt?
No doubt.
Yeah. And the bridge that I was talking about, next time you cross the Vashi Bridge, this is how it is built. As a matter of fact, when you are traveling on the... Can you see this, Arman?
Yes, sir.
So these grooves are there to provide space for expansion and for contraction. Can you see?
Yes,
So
sir.
when your car passes over this, your car makes a sound. Katak, katak, katak karke, it makes a sound. Makes a sound because of this space. These are known as the expansion joints. So these are made so that the material can expand and contract. While building, I think this is how they are making it. Yeah, can you see?
Yes, sir.
So this is the space they have left, area between for expansion joint installation. So this is a space which is left, and then they will put the expansion joint here. Mr. Arman, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
As a matter of fact, whenever you are traveling on a concrete road, and we have concrete roads very much in Bombay, and this is the consequence of not giving space. Arman, can you see?
Yes, sir.
Can you see the cracks?
Yes.
तो ये जो क्रैक अगर आ जाता है, the crack implies कि आपने स्पेस नहीं दी है for expansion or for contraction.
Oh.
अगर cracks आते हैं, yes, see cracks के there are a lot of reasons, but one of the reason might be कि कुछ गड़बड़ है. There are a lot of reasons, but one of the reason might be कि उसमें जब वो when it is trying to expand or when it is trying to contract, there is no space available. Can you see this space?
Yes, sir.
And of course, you can fill it इसके बीच में आप कुछ डाल सकते हैं. So for example, in this case, I think they are adding some polymer expansion joint. So they might put plastic or maybe some other material in it. Can you see?
Yes.
So see, this is the material that they are putting. ये देखिए, देख रहे हो?
Yes.
ये उन्होंने मटेरियल बीच में डाला. So this is the consequence of thermal expansion or contraction. Any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
And the reason is, again, see, effectively the reason is due to the difference in energy. The energy will bring greater intermolecular space. जब उसको space, when you are providing heat to it, it will expand. Intermolecular space will increase. When the intermolecular space will increase, it will want more space. And if you are not providing it space, so it will tend to crack. तो ये देखिए, this is what is being shown. ये less heat है, ये ज़्यादा heat है, because the intermolecular space has increased. और ये आपको consequences दिखा रही है. ये देखिए, देखा आपने? ये देखिए, ये जो joints हम देख रहे थे, ये जो joints देख रहे थे. So आप जब वो ब्रिज को क्रॉस करेंगे तो कटाक 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 करके जो आवाज आती है, that is due to these joints. And the same if you travel to Delhi by Rajdhani, so आपकी ट्रेन में जो पटाक 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 जो आवाज आती है, that is due to these joints. Any doubt still?
No doubt, sir.
Great, sir.